Today I'm gonna jump right into another review. This is the Mainstays electric fan heater from Walmart. Right now it's listed at $9.96, so for under $10 you're getting a really good heater. They have it in black and they also have it in white. Alright, let's jump right into it. Fan in there, the heat coils, thermostat up here. Three heat settings, or just fan with no heat, low heat, medium heat, full heat. And there's this safety thing on it. I would like to tape it so I could move it and it stays on. That's pretty much it. Comprehensive review. This is a non-biased review. This is not an advertisement. I'm not paid or endorsed by this company in any way. And with that being said, I give it 5 stars. It's small and compact. You can fit it in your bag and take it with you places, to your job. It blows out really hot. Put my feet in front of it, my feet are hot. It makes me sweat at night. This is in the winter. It's December 11th. It's 20 something degrees outside, maybe less. It's very cold out. But this little heater for $10 at Walmart is well worth it. For $10 you can get 2 of them. If you have 2 of them, it's more than enough. It's gonna keep you nice and toasty. So 5 stars. Mainstays here from Walmart.